Hi guys, welcome in my channel. Today I'm fixing new compressor. So I'm going to show you how to check compressor winding. So if you receive compressor without this one, so without this mark, without this C, command, run and start, how can you know from here? So how can you know run, start and command this area? So I'm gonna to show you how to check. And now also when you receive new compressor and you have to replace, first check compressor winding. If compressor winding is good, means compressor is so okay and you can fix compressor. So guys, let me check. You can see I just draw here C, command, R, run and S, started. So what we are going to do, we take our calorimeter. I will take resistance between all these compressor terminal and I will write here. In this one I will write there and I will explain to you. First I will take resistance between command and run. So you can see 1.1 ohms. So resistance between command and run is 1.1 ohms. And second, I will take resistance between command and start. So this resistance between command and start 2.4. Here is 2.4 ohms. Now I will take resistance between run and starter. You can see resistance between run and starter is 3.5 and there is continuity 3.5 ohms. Okay, but there is continuity between this one and this one. There is continuity, there is continuity and there is continuity. So compressor is okay. So from this one you can see that 3.5 equal 2.4 plus 1.1. So you can see 3.5 equal 1.1 plus 2.4. 1.1 plus 2.4, 3.5 equal 1.1 plus 2.4. So means resistance between run and start equal resistance between command and run plus resistance between command and start. This is the first thing you have to check to know if compressor winding is good. And the second position, you can see resistance between command and run is smaller than resistance between command and start, and small and all is small between and all resistance is, and this resistance is small is smaller than resistance and start. Means if you want to check, the second condition is resistance between C, R, command and run is smaller than resistance between command and start, and starter, and this one is smaller than resistance between run and start. So when you have these two conditions, you know that compressor winding is good. So first condition, resistance between C, between common and run, plus resistance between common and start equal resistance between run and start. So the first condition is resistance between this one. You take your kilometer, resistance between run and common plus resistance between common and starter equal resistance between starter and run. So always resistance between starter and run is the biggest one. Resistance between common and start is higher than resistance between common and run. So when you have all these conditions, this is the second condition and the first condition, that means compressor winding is okay. So you can fix your compressor without afraid anything. So first condition, resistance between common and run plus resistance between common and starter equal resistance between run and starter. Second condition, common and run is small than common and start, and small than start, resistance between start and run. So this is the condition. So even you receive compressor like this without anything, with this one you can know which one is common, which one is start, and which one is run. Just take resistance between and wire somewhere, and then you will see the resistance between all this is how I mentioned like that, and you know which one is common, which one is start, and which one is run. So guys, this is how to check if compressor winding is good, and how to know common, run and start if you don't have this one. If you receive compressor without this one, then you can know which one is common and which one is. So don't check with live current. It's not safe, because some people are just fix like that and start AC and check. No, just take your kilometer and take one small carton like that and just write everything, and then you check, you know which one is common, which one is start, and which one is run. Okay guys, don't forget this one is very important. So see you in my next video. Okay, ciao guys.